Tired of being chained to your PC? I'm about to show you how to unleash your Steam library and play your favorite games on your iOS or Android phone. First, you'll need to download the Steam Link app. It's available for free on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Just search Steam Link and download the one published by Valve. Once the app is installed, open it. The first thing you'll see is a prompt to pair a controller. You can use a Bluetooth controller like an Xbox or PlayStation controller for a more console-like experience, or use the touchscreen controls. To connect a controller, put it in pairing mode, then tap Pair a Controller in the app and select it from the list. If you're skipping the controller, just tap Skip. Now, the app will scan your local network for your computer running Steam. Make sure your computer is turned on, Steam is running, and you're logged in. Your computer and phone need to be on the same Wi-Fi network for this to work. Once your computer is found, selected, a pin will appear on your phone, which you'll then need to enter into a Steam window on your computer. This authorizes the connection. After authorization, Steam Link will perform a quick network test. This helps determine the best streaming settings for your connection. A strong, stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial for smooth gameplay. Finally, you'll be greeted with Steam's Big Picture mode on your phone. Navigate to your library, choose a game, and start playing. You can customize the streaming settings in the Steam Link app for optimal performance. Now you can enjoy your PC games on the go.